Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 114 of Surah Al-Ma'idah and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال عيسى ابن مريم اللهم ربنا أنزل علينا قال قاف is heavy and the daraja of level of heaviness is increased because this is alif with fatha, so with mud letter, the qaf, the level of qaf will be more heavy. So o, and it is 2 counts long. It is 2 counts long. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat and make it 2 counts long. Sab, seen is light. Ba is light. Why I'm saying it? Because of ain. I don't know why. When ain comes, people are making the letter before it's heavy. Even ain is not heavy. Sabena. Keep seen light, ba side light, and ba is majhura. So there is no flow of breath, and the qalqala should be very clear. Nu for the circular lips. Mar, keep mim light and ra heavy, and there's the wasut, and the wasut is not too long. Mar, yeah, is soft, fatha open jaws. Mallah, mim is light. Lafz jalala will be heavy. Mawwa, because there is fatha before it. And it is always long. Mallahum, for the circular lips attached. Mim has gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Humma, for fatha, the sound is short. Rabbana, keep ra, the makhraj of ra engaged very nicely. Rabb, and there will be a cut of sound because ba is shadida. Rabba, for fatha upon jaws, and ba. Rabba, and you are not giving like wrinkles on your lips. When you are saying ba, it should stay straight and there should be a shidda. Shidda means no flow of sound. Rabba, Rabbana, and mud should be without any gunna and make it 4 counts long. This is mad munfasil, jaiz. This is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is light because za is among light letter. Zil, for kasra give e sound attached with lam, lam will get the power of tawassut. Ain from the throat. Lay. There is softness of lean and the sound of fatha. Lay, na, 2 counts long. Ma, mad muttasil, wajib. Ma, and the long vowel should be without any gunna. I, for kasra give e sound. Da, for fatha upon jaws. Tam. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Me, focus give e sound. Nas, give rakhawa on scene, and it is light and it has safir. Nas, but we are not giving stress on scene, but it has rakhawa. Nas, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Ma, without kunna, and mad muttasil. Wajib, E, focus give E sound. Ta, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short and very clear and sharp. Poo, for the circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Nu, for the circular lips, the sound is short. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Na, 2 counts long. Li, ayn from your throat, make it 2 counts long. Delhi, for fatha upon jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasat, and for kasra give e sound. Delhi, aw. This is aw. Aw. For fatha upon jaws, attach it. Wow, there is number. But make sure that the first vowel is with sukoon, so there should be a number of the rakhawa too. Second vowel has rakhawa, so you are giving flow of sound too. Awwa, awwa. For fatha upon jaws, li. For kasra give e sound. Na, 2 counts long. هو هو مخرج الواو circle ellipse فتحة open jaws the sound is short 2 counts long خي for kasra give e sound ri for kasra give e sound na 2 counts long ra will be light here kha is heavy خي ri na هو مخرج الواو circling ellipse فتحة open jaws 2 counts long yeah soft and short. Tam, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ming, ming. First, you are giving ikhfa, and for ikhfa, you are keeping the sound in your nose, and then you are giving hums on kaf because it is with sukoon now because of the waqf. Ming, ming. Well, مخرج الواو circle in your lips فتح open jaws attached ra will get sifa off the wasat and ra is heavy because there is fatha before it warzuqa for dhamma circle lips attached qaf will get sifa of qalqala qaf is majhura letter there is no flow of breath so the qaf should be the qalqala should be very clear zuqa na this the mud noon is from your nose but mud is not from your nose na huwa makhraj of waw circle in your lips fatha on jaws and this is ikhfa and if you wanted to practice atta atta so where you are placing your tongue for ta you're for the ikhfa you're going close to um, that makhraj ta ta that is very sharp no flow of sound Khoi for fatha upon jaws and this is lean so making it soft خير for the muscle sorry ra is attached with ra rur for dhamma circle ellipse as you will touch ra rur and ra will be this ra will be heavy because there is fatha on it rur ra ra 2 counts long and ra will be heavy Z for kasra keep E sound. Qeen. Because of this verb, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long over into 4. Now we can make 4 or 6. خير الرازقين. Okay, wait. I'm saying tilawa for this ayah first. قال عيسى بن مريم اللهم ربنا أنزل علينا مائدة من السماء مائدة من السماء تكون لنا عيدا لأولنا وآخرنا وآية منك وارزقنا وأنت خير الرازقين. Qaf is heavy, the level of heaviness is heavy, so higher. So make it 2 counts long and make it heavy, nice, heavy. Qalau, this lam is light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Law, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Who, for the master lips, the sound is short and keep ha light. Making lafz jalala heavy, we might be making ha heavy. It is who. It should not be heavy. In Hamza is very sharp and it is attached to noon. Noon will get sifa of punna. This punna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni, 2 counts long. Mu, for the circle lips. Naz, for patha panjas attaches za, za will get sifa of rakhawa. And it had Sapir. Nazi, focus to give E sound. Lu, for the circle lips. Ha, 2 counts long. A, and from your throat, for patha open jaws. Lay, it has softness. Make it soft. Lay, kum, for the circle lips attached with me will get zip off the wasat. And hokmuhu idhar. Fa, give hams and fa for fatha open jaws. Main. This is exam with gunna, so keep the sound in yours for a longer time. Yak. For fatha open jaws attach it. Kaf. Kaf will get zip off hams, and hams is flow of breath. How you are creating hams? This kaf has shidda. So first you are giving shidda, you are closing the makhraj, and then opening up the makhraj little. When the force behind crosses the makhraj, that is hams. Yak, yak, yak. First you are giving shidda and then you are giving hams. Yak, pur. Dhamma circle ellipse attached. Ra will get sifa of tawassun and it is heavy because there is dhamma before it. Ba' for fatha open jaws attached. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. And ain should be from your throat, but it should not take too long. Ba' do for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ming, this is ikhfa with kaf, so you know that you have to block the makhraj, and this seems like idhar, but it is not idhar. This is ikhfa, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Minkum, for the circle lips, mean will get above the wasat, and hukmu idhar. Fa, give hamza fa. In, hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get punna. This punna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni, mad, sorry. Mad munfasil jaiz, so make it 4 counts long. Ni, u, for the circle lips, the sound is short. Al, ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws attach with dal. Dal will get sifa of rahawa, and it should there should be a zabzaba sound into it. Al, the for kasra give e sound. Woo for the circle lips. Who for the circle lips. The sound is 2 counts long. Ain for my throat for fatha open jaw. The 2 counts long. Bell. This is idgham without gunna, so you're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Bella. This is mad munfasil jais, making you're making it 4 counts long. U for the circle lips. Adi, wu, hu. Mad munfasil jais. A, hamza is very sharp. Ha from your throat with hums. Ha dam idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Me for kasra give e sound. Nal give the wasut, but the wasut should not be too long. Ra 2 counts long. La for fatha just the sound is short. Mean because of the bug gives temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. And you should know that you can make it 2 counts long, or 4 counts long, or 6 counts long. So, عالمين قال الله إني منزلها عليكم فمن يكفر بعد منكم فإني أعذبه عذابا لا أعذبه فإني أعذبه عذابا لا أعذبه أحدا من العالمين. ومخرج الواو circle in your lips بفتح open jaws إي إذ Orchestra give E sound attached with dal. Dal will get sifa off rahawa, and there should be a dabdaba sound into it. إذ Qaf is nicely heavy, make it 2 counts long. Lallah, this lam is light, but lafz dilala will be heavy, and it is always 2 counts long. Lal, why this lafz dilala is heavy? Because there is fatha before it. Lallahu for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Yeah. Yeah is soft. Make it 2 counts long. Oi. Ain from your throat and make it 2 counts long. Sab. For fatha open jaws attached ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. This is mashhura. The qalqala will be very nicely heard. Na for fatha open jaws. Maw. Keep meme light. Ra heavy. And ra will get sabat tawassut. Yeah, keep yeah soft, papa top on jaws, papa top on jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp, papa top on jaws, this is ikhfa, so keeping the sound in your nose and going towards the makhraj of ta. Ta, papa top on jaws, qul, qaf is heavy for dhamma circle lips attached with lam will be light. Qul, ta, papa top on jaws, the sound is short without any flow of sound. This is shidda letter. Ta, lin, for kasra give e sound attached. Noon will get sipa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, 2 counts long. Sit, for kasra give e sound attached. Ta will get sipa of shidda, so the sound will cut off. Sit, ta, for fatha on jaws. The sound is short with fatha. Qi, is heavy for kasra give e sound. Du, 2 counts long for the circle ellipse and make it 2 counts long. Ni, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj of waw circling ellipse for fatha open jaws. For the circle ellipse attached with me will get sipa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Me, for kasra give e sound. Yeah, keep ya soft for fatha open jaws. And the sound is short. E. Hamza is very sharp for kasra give E sound. La, 2 counts long. Hay. This is lean. Make it soft. Hay. Ni for kasra give E sound. Mid. Min. Min for kasra give E sound. And ikhfa. This is you're keeping the sound in your nose and going towards the makhraj of dal. Do for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Nila. Focus, give E sound and lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. And because of the work, you are giving sukoon on this ha. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. So make it four counts long. Dunillah. Oh, cough is heavy. Make it two counts long. La, fatha upon jaws. Sube. For the circle ellipse attached ba, ba will get sifa of qalqala. This qalqala is very clear because ba is majhura letter. There is no flow of breath. Ha, two counts long, and it should be from your throat. Na, for fatha upon jaws. Ka, for fatha upon jaws. There is no hums in kaf when it is mutaharika. Ma, two counts long. Ea, for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ku, for the circle ellipse, make it two counts long. Nu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Li, make it four counts long. This is mad munfasil jaiz. And Hamza is sharp, fatha upon jaws, attached noon. Noon gets sifa of the wasut and ruling it with her. Hamza is very sharp. Qu for the circle ellipse, make it two counts long. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma two counts long. Lay, this is soft. Harf is always soft. Laysa for fatha upon jaws. Li two counts long. B for kasra give e sound. Haqqa. Have from your throat. For fatha upon jaws. Attach with qaf. Haqqa. And then there will be qalqala at the last qaf. In Hamza is sharp, focus rakib E sound. When you are concentrating on ikhfa, you are not ignoring what you are saying before it. So Hamza is shadid, focus rakib E sound, and then engage the ikhfa. In look, it seems idhar, but the mechanism is very different. In for dhamma, circle your lips, and then for ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position, but you are not stretching them behind. Two for dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is very sharp. Qul, qaf is heavy for dhamma, circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position, but you are not stretching behind. Qul, two for the circle ellipse, who for the circle ellipse, and make it two counts long. Fa, give hamsin fa for fatha upon jaws. Qad, qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Dal is majhura letter. There is no flow of breath. So the qalqala will be very nice and crisp. Qad, Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lim for kasra give e sound attached with mim. You will get sifa of the wasat and hukmuhu with ha. Da for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqa because this is with sukoon because of the ba. And keep ha light. Da. Da for fatha upon jaws attached with the ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasat. La for fatha upon jaws. Mu for the circle ellipse. Ma two counts long, and long vowel should be without gunna. Fi two counts long. Naf for fatha upon jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa of rakhawa. Si two counts long. مخرج الواو circling your lips فتحة upon jaws لا مد منفصل جائز make it four counts long Hamza is very sharp فتحة upon jaws attached to the عين عين will get صفة of توسط and عين should be from your throat لا for patah open jaws. Mu for the mouth circle lips. The sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Fi, 2 counts long. Naf for fatha open jaws attach with fa. Give hums in fa. Sik for kasra give e sound and then give hums in qaf because you are giving sukoon because of the waqf and this sukoon has bring the hums in it. So sick, what hums is you are giving shidda first and then you are opening your makhraj. Sick, sick. In for kasra keep e sound attach with noon. Noon you get sipa of kunna. This kunna is sakmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ka for patha open your jaws. For hamza is sharp. And this ikhwa is with ta, so you're going towards the makhraj of ta, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Ta for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Al ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. La, and then it is 2 count long. Mul for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. Ghu, ghain is heavy for the circle lips. Yub, because of the verb, you're giving temporary sukoon on ba. This temporary sukoon has bring the qalqala on ba, and it has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat sukoon. وَإِذْ قَالَ اللَّهُ يَا عِيسَى ابْنَ مَرْيَمَ أَأَنْتَ قُلْتَ لِلنَّاسِ اتَّخِذُونِي وَأُمِّيَ إِلَٰهَيْنِ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ قَالَ سُبْحَانَكَ مَا يَكُونُ لِي أَنْ أَقُولَ مَا لَيْسَ لِي بِحَقٍّ إِن كُنتُ قُلْتُهُ فَقَدْ عَلِمْتَهُ تَعْلَمُ مَا فِي نَفْسِي وَلَا أَعْلَمُ مَا فِي نَفْسِكَ إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ عَلَّامُ الْغُيُوبِ. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.